As we move along next here tonight to our cover story in Florida's plans to roll back vaccine requirements, still short on details, even as the clock ticks toward the start of the 2026 legislative session come January. And the idea has sparked a lot of conversation from you every time we post a story on social media. So tonight, Capitol reporter Forrest Saunders is uncovering more, what we know and what we still don't.
Nearly a month after announcing a plan to eliminate all of Florida's immunization rules,
every last one of them is wrong and drips with disdain and slavery.
State health leaders still haven't shown us what it looks like yet. The Department of Health says it wants to expand parental choice, allowing families to opt out of vaccines, long required in places like public schools. But as of this week, there's still no final rule language. There's no hearing date, no timeline for when the changes might take effect, just this notice saying that a rule is in the works.
Informed consent, making sure we're protecting parents' rights, and then also just being willing to challenge medical orthodoxy that's not supported by the data.
The DeSantis administration argues it's about rights, not mandates. But critics say without specifics, the proposal risks confusion and potential public health consequences.
With vaccine rates going down, every single one of these diseases is a human disease. They will come back. In fact, we're already seeing that in Florida.
Medical groups like the Florida Academy of Family Physicians are asking for a public meeting on the issue, warning that eliminating vaccine requirements could lead to outbreaks of preventable illnesses like measles and whooping cough. At the Capitol, lawmakers say they're still waiting too, including the chair of the Senate's Health Policy Committee.
You haven't seen any legislation to that effect, so I think it's a little premature to even try to have a conversation around it.
Sure.
So I've had no big conversations with the president's office or anybody else on that issue.
If a bill popped up, you guys would at least consider having it here in the committee?
I consider every single bill that a senator files, absolutely.
Some vaccine mandates are written into law, meaning any permanent change could require legislative approval, something that could turn the January session into a major battleground on the issue. That's as some Republicans and plenty of Democrats have issues.
I'm very concerned on, I'm concerned for the health of our children. I'm concerned for how this will affect us with tourism. Will people want to come here to our state?
For now, parents, doctors, and schools are all waiting for answers and watching closely as Florida edges toward what could be the nation's first full vaccine mandate rollback. While we don't have a timeline yet for exactly when this administrative rule on vaccines would be crafted, the expectation is it could still happen sometime this fall. And then the regular session, that's set to start in January of next year. That's the latest out here at the state capitol. I'm Forrest Saunders reporting.